Welcome to the top best. The best RBF 600 is probably one of the most sought-after pieces of technology in its category right now, and for good reason, as it offers a compelling blend of performance, features, and design that sets it apart from the competition, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their current setup or dive into a new product category with confidence, knowing they are investing in a device that is built to impress and deliver on its promises. Number 5. Motul RBF 600 DOT4 Racing Brake Fluid. Experience the ultimate in braking power with our high-performance racing brake fluid. Engineered for the most demanding conditions, it ensures consistent stopping power when you need it most. Don't let heat compromise your ride. This advanced formula boasts exceptional resistance to high temperatures, preventing brake fade and maintaining optimal performance lap after lap. Crafted with 100% synthetic base oils, it offers superior lubrication and protection for your braking system. This ensures longevity and reliability for your vehicle. Meeting the stringent DOT4 standard, it's designed for optimal compatibility with most braking systems. You can trust its performance for both street and track use. From the Motul factory line, this is the fluid trusted by professionals. Elevate your driving experience with a product built for racing and engineered for excellence. Show your passion for performance with the included premium Motul sticker. It's a small addition that signifies your commitment to quality and speed. What we like. This option comes in a convenient 3-pack, offering great value for multiple changes or top-offs. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to maintain your high-performance braking system, this is a solid choice. It's ideal for racers or enthusiasts who go through brake fluid regularly. What people say. The RBF 600 is a high-performance brake fluid that offers excellent heat resistance, making it ideal for demanding driving conditions. Its low viscosity ensures quick and precise brake response, even in cold weather. The RBF 600 is known for its superior boiling point, which prevents brake fade during aggressive use. Number 4. Motul RBF 600 Factory Line DOT4 Racing Brake Fluid. Experience the ultimate in braking power with our high-performance racing brake fluid. Engineered for the demands of the track, it ensures consistent stopping power under extreme conditions. This 100% synthetic formula boasts an exceptionally high dry boiling point. It resists vapor lock even under the most intense racing heat, keeping your brakes responsive. Developed with factory line expertise, this fluid delivers the precision and reliability you need. Trust in its advanced formulation for your high-stakes braking requirements. Meeting DOT4 specifications, it provides superior performance for both street and track applications. Enjoy enhanced safety and control with every application. This pack provides ample fluid for a complete brake system flush and fill. Ensure your entire system is protected with this high-quality, race-proven fluid. Join the ranks of professional racers who rely on this fluid for their critical braking needs. It's the clear choice for those who demand the best. What we like. Get more for your money with this 4-pack of racing brake fluid. If you need a substantial amount for a fleet of vehicles or frequent track days, this offers excellent bulk savings. It ensures you have plenty on hand for any situation. What people say. The RBF 600 is a high-performance, full synthetic brake fluid that offers superior performance in extreme braking conditions. It has a high dry boiling point of 592 degrees Fahrenheit, 311 degrees Celsius, and a wet boiling point of 420 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius, which helps prevent brake fade under heavy use. The RBF 600 is compatible with all hydraulic brake systems and is ideal for high-performance street and track applications. Number 3. Motul RBF 600 Factory Line DOT4 Racing Brake Fluid. Introducing the Motul RBF 600 Factory Line DOT4. This is a high-performance, 100% synthetic racing brake fluid designed for extreme conditions. It boasts an exceptionally high dry boiling point of 594 degrees Fahrenheit. This helps prevent vapor lock and brake fade, even during the most demanding use. This advanced formula not only meets but exceeds both DOT3 and DOT4 specifications. You can trust its reliability when performance is critical. Formulated with 100% synthetic base, it offers unparalleled protection and performance. Experience the difference that pure synthetic power makes. This convenient 2-pack includes two 500 ml bottles. It ensures you have enough of this premium fluid for your high-performance braking system. What we like. Experience superior braking performance with its exceptionally high dry boiling point, designed to prevent vapor lock and brake fade. If you demand the utmost in braking reliability during intense track use or demanding conditions, this fluid is engineered for you. It offers peace of mind when every bit of stopping power counts. What people say. It's a high-temperature, high-boiling fluid that gives a very firm, consistent pedal feel under hard braking, and I haven't noticed any fade even when the brakes get hot from spirited driving or track use. Motul's formulation also seems very stable. It holds up well over time without absorbing moisture and softening, which is exactly what you want from a performance brake fluid. I can hit high brake temps and don't have to worry about fade or a soft pedal. Number 2. Motul RBF 600 DOT4 Racing Brake Fluid. Introducing the Motul RBF 600, a high-performance racing brake fluid. It's engineered for the demands of extreme braking conditions. This fluid is made with a 100% synthetic base. This ensures superior performance and consistency when you need it most. Meeting the DOT4 standard, it provides excellent thermal stability. This is crucial for preventing brake fade during intense use. As part of the factory line, it's designed for racing applications. Experience the difference that professional-grade fluid can make. Its advanced formulation offers exceptional resistance to moisture absorption. This helps maintain optimal braking performance over time. Trust in its ability to deliver reliable and powerful braking. It's the ideal choice for serious drivers and racers. What we like. This 2-pack is perfect for a standard brake fluid flush and fill on most performance vehicles. If you're performing routine maintenance or a moderate upgrade, it provides the right quantity without excess. It's a straightforward choice for enthusiasts wanting quality fluid. What people say. The RBF 600 is a high-performance brake fluid that offers excellent heat resistance and consistent pedal feel, even under extreme track conditions. Its low moisture absorption rate ensures a longer service life and maintains optimal braking performance over time. The RBF 600 is compatible with most braking systems and is a popular choice for both street and track applications due to its superior performance characteristics. Number 1. Motul RBF 600 Factory Line Racing Brake Fluid. Experience the ultimate in performance with our 100% synthetic racing formula. It's specially engineered for hydraulic brake and clutch systems in the most demanding racing conditions. Braking under intense heat is no longer a concern. Its extreme thermal resistance ensures consistent performance, even in the most demanding situations. Don't let wet conditions compromise your ride. It outperforms standard fluids, significantly reducing the risk of vapor lock. Rest assured with its DOT4 certification. It meets stringent standards for maximum compatibility and safety. Get race ready with our convenient packaging. We recommend 2 bottles for a complete system change, ensuring you have enough for the job. What we like. Engineered for the most extreme racing conditions, this fluid boasts exceptional thermal resistance and superior wet performance. If you're a professional racer or a serious track enthusiast pushing your vehicle to its limits, this is the fluid for you. It guarantees consistent and reliable braking under the most punishing heat and humidity. What people say. The RBF 600 is a high-performance brake fluid that offers excellent heat resistance, making it ideal for demanding driving conditions. It has a high wet boiling point, which means it can absorb moisture over time without significantly compromising its performance. The RBF 600 is known for its consistent pedal feel, even under extreme braking situations. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.